I'm pretty much at the point where I have more lettuce than I could possibly need. Look at this. Here's a little behind the scenes of my latest DIY project. So I got these old fences from a friend of mine who was taking them out. He's a contractor, and he asked me if I wanted them. And of course I did, because of these cedar panels. These actually are great for making raised garden beds. Just want to give an update on what I've been working on over here. So just to recap, these are the fence panels that I got, the cedar panels I got from an old fence panel. And what I'm doing is basically building boxes that look just like this. And so I got an idea. What I'm going to do is go right across this fence over here, so another similar box, and then right over here I'm going to go do like a 45, and maybe in the middle I'll put a tree or something big right in that corner. All of this of course is going to be on that self-watering system that I'm going to build. But I also decided that what I should do is remove all of this wood storage that I have here and build boxes as well. So it'll be kind of like a U-shaped. And I think that's what I'm going to do. Okay, and let's look at the final result. See the raised garden bed across the fence. All of it now is full of mushroom manure. I just need to get some garden soil to put on top of this. But this is awesome. So these ones already got some plants in. I got some more in my greenhouse that I can now transplant, but I really like this corner here. This is going to look cool. I might put a tree or something. If you have any ideas, please let me know what I should do here in this corner. And then this goes across. So if you kind of see, it's a big U right across. I'm going to have to take this shelf off later eventually. But 2 yards full of mushroom manure, and I just basically have to start the irrigation setup. Just want to give a quick tour of this raised vegetable garden that I built around my jump rope pad. As you can see, I spent a lot of time jumping rope here, and I came up with this idea as I was jumping. I didn't know if it would work, but I planted all of these different vegetables in strictly mushroom manure right after I built these raised beds from an old fence panel. I didn't know if it would work, but surely, look at the size of this spinach. Surely these cold crops, so lettuce, kale, and spinach, they're absolutely loving it. These were actually created from seeds that I collected from last year. At least the lettuce was, not the spinach. The spinach I bought. But all this lettuce I grew from the seeds that I collected. And I have bags of this stuff. So I'm pretty much at the point where I have more lettuce than I could possibly need. Look at this. Goes all the way across. In this area I get a lot of sun. I haven't even set up the self-watering system. This is all just from the rain that we've had here on the West Coast. But it is amazing just how much you can grow. Food you can grow in a little space like this. So I'll keep you updated on how this goes, but that's just a lot. Now I have to figure out what to do with all this lettuce. That's a lot of salads.